Welcome to Los Sierra's Music Department. We are in the Whole Memorial Auditorium, otherwise known as the HMA, which was once a beautiful church transformed into a vibrant space for musical study and performance. Here is one of our practice rooms available to you as a student. You do not need to be a music student by any means to have access to these rooms. Each room is soundproof to help with noise levels and to help with focus. Every room is equipped with an acoustic piano, so if you are just perfecting your skills or needing to play, come on down. Here is our band room. Here is where our large ensembles rehearse, anything from concert band to jazz band. You'll find plenty of music stands and chairs, percussion equipment, and storage for instruments. If you need to study or want downtime between classes, come hang out at the student lounge. We hope to see you here soon.